Hey, what's up guys? I'm GratuiTous. If you guys are wanting to learn the secrets of music production, if you have been producing for at least 3 months, then this course is for you, okay? So you guys know I teach on FL Studio. This course does apply to any DAW, all right? So this course is also focused mainly at a beat maker, right? Somebody who makes the beat, who arranges the beat, who likes to do the mixing and the mastering. And you guys can check out the course curriculum for what we cover inside of this course. But like I said, this is the 5 golden pillars of music production, which I wish I knew before I started up. And I break it down in depth for you guys to learn. You're going to feel really, really inspired to get back into your music and see results, okay? Now, one thing I want to say before you watch the course and enroll is I advise you to watch it at a faster speed. So most video players allow you to watch it like 1.25 or 1.5. There's a lot of information I'm telling you in this course. And it isn't a course where where I'm teaching you like what to listen for. It's more about like how to use the tools. And again, there's a lot of speaking, a lot of information I wish I knew. So if you watch the videos fast, you will be able to digest that information really quick. You can still hear the beat, you can still hear the audio, but you'll be able to follow along really, really good. So I really think you'll get a better experience if you watch the videos fast. You don't have to. But again, this is my 5 golden pillars of music production. It took me a little while to figure out what order I wanted to put them in. There's a lot of different golden pillars just in general of music production. There's a lot of things to know, but I broke it down into 5 golden pillars, which I think that you need to know to get up and running to see results when you're making your beats, things that I wish I would have known, okay? So you guys can enroll. I'll talk to you inside the course. I'm really excited for you to watch this one.